All right. In this video today, we are going to look at class and IDs. We're going to look at class and IDs. I'm going to ignore the fact that I've linked this CSS right here. So I'm going to unlink it. So I'm going to unlink it. So this CSS here is a dummy. All the codes here are now is not a dummy code because it's not going to work. I've unlinked it right here. So what I'm going to do next is now I'm going to use an inline text. So let's say style. And I'm going to style. First of all, I'm going to style my header. My header. I'm going to say, so I'm writing my CSS inside my site, like I'm writing it in the same HTML coding environment. Do you understand? But right before I put my HTML. So I'm saying style, and then I'll have background color. Background color is aqua. Okay, color black. And then I'm going to padding 20 pixel. And then I'll align the text. Let me align the text to the right. Text align. Right. Text fonts. Font is a inherit. Font style inherit. Okay. So now that should be for my header. And I'm going to format another one, say um, dot text, and then I'll say background color, and I'll say that as orange. Say color is white, and then padding 10 pixel, border 1 pixel. All right. Next, I'm going to format is my buttons. So I'm going to say dot button, background color is gray, color is white. All right. Padding is 10 pixel, and border is 5 pixels. All right. Now, having set my styles, then I'll go in and put my H1. All right. So I'll say H1. What was that? All right. I'll make one space up here. So H1, I'll say A, very, online, stores. Now under the H1, I want to style it, and then I want it to take the I call it the ID. Now look what I'm going to do. I'm going to call the ID of this H1 will be ID equal to, I'll call my header, right? How's that? My header. ID is equal to my header. All right, and I'll say Control S to save. So when we refresh this, we're going to say K-Berry Online Stores. It takes the attributes of my header, background color aqua, yes, color black, text color black, padding around it is uh, padding around it is 20 pixels. All right, and text align to the right. See, text align is right. All right, then font style is inherit font style. So, all right, next I'm going to do is I'm going to call my H2 and say welcome to K-Berry Stores. All right, now next I'm going to do is I'm going to set my ID to ID equal to, and I'm going to say dot text. So I'm going to pick the ID is equal to city text, and when I save that and refresh this, so all right, all right, for that ID class, all right, not ID, the class rather, the class is equal to this. So when I refresh, it takes the elements of this. Now, this is a class. I locate classes by identifying the dot before them. So this is also a class. So now I'm going to call H2 again. Notice this didn't take the H1 style. Why? Okay, all right. So H1, I had to remove the font inherit, which was affecting the size of this H1. Okay, so all right, I'm creating a H2 now. So let me make a H2 also. Let me make it H2, and it says offer you the burst prices. I'm going to set the class. Oh, class equal to button. Now, okay, so all right, these are how to use um your CSS in the side in your HTML environment. So you could that set your after styling your codes, after doing your styling, then next thing you're gonna do is start writing your codes and identifying them or linking them to the different, just using the ID attributes, the class and ID attributes. So by class, you align this text here to the class button. So it takes the CSS code for buttons. So go ahead and try that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video. Bye.